Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics, chapter number 7 for new secondary book mathematics. Abstract students class 6 and chapter number 9 new syllabus mathematics D1 for A level O level students, 7th edition, and practice now 8 is question number 1A part. There are 36 students who have to go to on a trip, and the charges that are received are $2.70 per kilometer, and the distance, total distance is 32.5 kilometer, and we have to find the charges for each child. So students, rate is $2.70 per kilometer and the distance is 32.5 kilometers. So charges will be charges for the total distance. Charges for the total distance will be 32.5 multiplied by $2.70. As students, for 1 kilometer, there the charges are $2.70, and we have to find the charges for 32.5 kilometer. So we will multiply 32.5 by 2.70, and the total charges will be $87.75. $87.75, and there are 36 students, so we have to find the charges for each child. So $87.75 will be divided by 36 because it is there, these charges are for the 36 students, and we have to find the charges for each child. So charges for each child will be $87.75 over 36. Now divide 87.75 with 36, and the charges for each of the children will be $2.44 approximately. 2.44. Students, B part is a car requires 25 liters of petrol to travel a distance of 265 kilometers. Petrol, students, is equal to 25 liters and distance is equal to 265 kilometers. So students, we will find that how many kilometers car will travel in 1 liter. In 25 liter, 265 kilometers is traveled, and we have to find the distance that is covered in 1 kilometer. So we will write in 25 liter of petrol, a car travels 265 kilometers. So in 1 liter, a car will travel 265 over 25, and we will have 10.6 kilometers. Divide 265 by 25. 265 divided by 25, and we will have 10.6 kilometers in 1 liter. It means that car will travel 10.6 kilometers in 1 liter. Students, first part of B part is there are 58 liters of petrol, and we have to find distance that traveled in 58 liters. So students, in 1 liter a car travels, in 1 liter a car traveled 10.6 kilometer. So in 58 liter car will travel 10.6 kilometer multiplied by 58. Now students, we will multiply 10.6 by 58 and the distance traveled 614.8 kilometer. So students, with 58 liter of petrol, that car will travel 614.8 kilometer. Students, second part of B part is, now the total distance is 1007 kilometer and cost of petrol is $1.95 per liter, and we have to find the total cost for 1007 kilometer. So students, 10.6 kilometers are traveled in 1 liter, so it is written 10.6 kilometer is traveled is equal to 1 liter. So 1 kilometer will be traveled by 1 over 10.6, and now the distance is 1007 kilometer. So it is written 1 over 10.6 multiplied by 1007. Now students, we will find the amount of liter. How many liters are there? So students, 1007 divided by 10.6 and the number of liters 95. So students, for 1007 kilometers, the petrol that is required is 95 liter and the price of 1 liter is $1.95. So total price will be, total cost or price will be 95 multiplied by $1.95. Now students, multiply 95 with 1.95 and the cost for 1007 kilometer will be $185.25. So students, for traveling 1007 kilometer, the cost for the petrol will be $185.25. Students, question number 2 of practice now 8 is, in a competition, 5 people finished 20 steamed buns in 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Assuming that everyone consumes steamed buns at the same rate and that the rate of consumption remains constant throughout the competition. Find the number of steamed buns. How many buns are eaten by 10 people in 5 minutes? So students, 5 people will eat 20 buns. So 1 people will eat 5 over 20 buns in 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So first we will write 5 people eats 20 buns. So 1 people will eat 20 over 5 buns and that are 4 buns. Now students, 4 buns are eaten by a person in 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So we will write 4 buns are eaten by 1 person is equal to 3 multiplied by 60 plus 20 seconds. So students, 1 bun is eaten in 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18 plus 20 over 4 seconds, and it will be students 200 over 4 seconds, and 1 bun is eaten by 1 person in 50 seconds. Keep in mind students, 1 bun can be eaten by 1 person in 50 seconds. Now we have to find the number of buns that are eaten by 10 people in 5 minutes. Students, in 50 seconds, number of buns eaten by one person is equal to 1. In 1 second, number of buns by eaten one person are 1/50 buns, and time is 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, number of buns are eaten 1/50 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 60, because these are 50 seconds. So we have to divide second by second. So this second will be cancelled to this second. This 0 will be cancelled to this 0, and 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. So in 5 minutes a person will eat 6 buns. Now students, one person can eat 6 buns in 5 minutes. So 10 person will eat buns is equal to 6 multiplied by 10 buns. So 60 buns will be eaten in 5 minutes by 10%. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.